Okay, what is going on? No, I am reading some comments on social media. I heard there's a video flying around and some people are dropping comments. Oh, hear me. I think so many of you, and you need feeling in your life. Yeah. Don't mind him, oh.
Really? I'm not going to believe on that. Who first talk?
You guys know I'm very, very gentle. Very, very gentle.
By here, who gentle you know be use mouth talk am. You go see am for your character.
Oh my God. Hello everyone, we're back again. Myself and my healing team. We want to play a beautiful game. You guys will love it. It's very fun. So I'm supposed to guess their voices, but if I don't guess it correctly, they're going to win my money. See money. Could you go? Okay now. So let's go there. Let me see if they win my money or not. Let's see.
Hi everyone, my name is Bimpe and on this set titled Healing, I am playing Counselor Roti. You need to see my character. I'm sure you will love it. I'm always on MOBIMPE TV if you watch closely. I'm one of our beautiful, beautiful actors. So I am Counselor Roti on this set titled Healing. It's now showing on MOBIMPE TV. Don't stop. Don't wait. Don't draw. Go and watch Healing. It's now showing on MOBIMPE TV. Thank you. God bless you. I love you.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Healing. Go again. Healing. Faye. Sunny. The person did not speak now. Abike. Healing. Damn boy, if you don't look. And you sorrow. Olamide. Pelebe. Esther. Who is the person? Okay, let's go. Healing. These people are winning my money. Oh. Go again. Healing. Biodun. Go again. SMG. Let's go. Pelebeni. Esther. Speak now. Wasilani. Let's go. Ṣé torí owó tí fẹ́ yìí fẹ́ jẹ báyìí ló ti wá kà lára? Kí lorúkọ ọmọ electrician yẹn? You better speak. Má wàá parẹ́.
Hello guys, your baby girl is here. Healing is showing now on MOBIMPE TV. I want you all to go to MOBIMPE TV. Please don't go to that. You know we have piracy on YouTube now. Please don't go there. Just search for MOBIMPE TV and watch Healing. Iṣẹ́ yìí dùn. Ó dùn. Ẹ wá gbọ́ o. Mo fẹ́ sọ tuntun. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ fọ́? Ìyá Ìjẹ̀bú ń rò bá ti sọ. Abẹ ti gé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ẹwẹ́ ti Jẹ̀bú. Mo dé o. Mo fẹ́ kí ló bá gbárùkù. Kẹ́tùyáyá kẹ́ máa lọ sórí MOBIMPE TV. Kẹ́ láwọ̀ Healing níbẹ̀. Ó ń ṣò lọ́wọ́ náà iná ìwé. Ìyá Ìjẹ̀bú lovers, ìyàwó Ọ̀ṣun lovers, please support us. Love you.
Hello everyone. Are you guys ready? Yes! Okay, so we are here to play a very funny game. I am going to give them a task to sing one of the old school songs, R&B music. So we'll play half of it and then they'll sing the rest. Are you guys ready? Yes! We are ready. You already know money is involved. Yes! So if you sing well and if you convince me, I'll give you money. But if not, what will happen to you? How damn you. So let's go.
Ooh, you're my African queen. You're my.
You don't know.
So, Olamide is next. What? Oh, well, I want to say so. Only to shake me, but just shine because you're my baby.
Oh yeah.
I hope you want more. No. I don't know. This is the song. Yes, sir. You want to take a deal, so you want
Grace, Mama.
Okay, nobody should sing.
This is what you say to me. What you say to me. You say I love for the life. You say.
You don't know it.
It's a young no deny. It's no feelings no deny. Feelings no deny.
Sing again and they cry. Come on.
No. Yes, go. Let's go. Play. Sing it.
Oh yeah, sing. Sing it now. You don't know it.
From the moment you first find it, and you everything is staying. You see the way you're doing someone now. Go. Mati Jewo Jessigo. Generator.
Hey, what is going on? I am reading some comments on social media. I heard there's a video flying around and some people are dropping comments. Oh, hear me. I think so many of you, and you need healing in your life. Yes. So go on MOBIMPE TV now. Go and watch healing. My mom warriors, let's put into action. Together we fight. Together we win. I'll fight you. So, I heard you guys are not watching my film. You guys are not watching healing on MOBIMPE TV. Tiba muyi. O da ipe yin gan e need ìwòsàn. E need healing fún ara yín. You need healing in your lives. Go and watch healing on MOBIMPE TV. Catch it there. Healing ti go to land on MOBIMPE TV. Go and watch it. You will enjoy it though. You will enjoy the story. And it's a story that everybody should even watch. Ha! Please. We are Ebeni Mumbemi Ishako. Go and watch healing on MOBIMPE TV on YouTube. And spread the news. Spread it. Oye. Ejakolo. Ebokolo fa. Thank you so much, guys. I love you.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀ ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ kó dọ́jà ni èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo ìyẹn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè